Hi, today I'm going to show you a little bit about what you can do with the unicorn spit. I'm gonna just dribble some on here. This is Blue Thunder. Kind of in a windstorm with snow, which is even worse. But I'm just gonna have a little fun and experiment. This one was pink, punk, pink. That's very hard to say. And then Blue Thunder and Navajo Jewel. And I'm going to put a little Zia Teal on there. It looks light blue, but it's really close to white too, depending on how you use it and what you add with it. It's been winter, so I haven't been outside to use these. You can use them inside, that's fine. I don't know, I like being outside and hear the birds and everything. So you shake your can first. And a little more. So I have these coasters here. I just got them from the dollar store, kind of to experiment. I just like testing things out. So I have these, kind of has like a, a little bit of a pumice type feel, but spit really could go on anything. So let's try smoosh. Ooh, that turned out pretty good. I'm gonna just, take my finger and try to get it. I don't like leaving the edges not done, so I'll just grab a little paint now. And I'm wearing gloves, but you don't need to. Sometimes blue just stays on longer, but it's non-toxic. That's why I love spit. It's so usable, friendly. And look, I just put blobs on this bubbles, and look how cool it turned out. Okay. Let's try another one. I'm going to leave that there, but maybe add a little more of this. Alrighty, let's see. Cool. Now we'll get those spots. And the edges. You could do it later, but I don't know. I just like to have things done. Some of you may have seen my picnic table video, and it's just too cold outside to do it because I have to do some wood burning too, and I'll show you all the techniques about that. So I know this is like small scale, but I get quite into my projects. So if you'd like to subscribe, and then you'll get a notification, all that bell thing they got now. Hit that, and then you can get notified of my videos. I'm not really a YouTube video person, so I'm not sure how well I'll do, but hopefully you can get ideas. Okay, that's done.